Fitness is about movement. Welcome to the Browns Inn movement. Find your flow. Pick a spot in nature and find a way to ground yourself with nature. Find your inner animal. Find your inner kid. Find your inner self. You don't need music. Flow with nature's music. Flow with your body energy. This technique is the Browns Inn movement. Movement, I say. Fitness is about movement. Your body needs to move. Flow with your spine, flow with your soul, flow with your body. Find different ways to move. You can get strong just by using your body weight. You just have to be willing to ground and find yourself. Find yourself within nature. If you step outside in nature, you become one and you become your own person with an energy flow of nature. You never know what you can find in nature. Just like that stick. That stick was there in nature for me to use as a way to improve my fitness stability, mobility, and flow. Find anything in nature, sticks, rocks, branches, anything. You can always use anything and everything in nature as fitness. This is a technique for everybody to try. Movement is a way of life. Movement has found its way in fitness everywhere. Everybody's doing it. Everybody is realizing that movement is so important for your body. That's why movement fitness has become a movement. So find yourself. Try this technique. Move your body. Move your body. Your joints and your muscles will thank you. This whole routine doesn't have to be the exact same thing I'm doing. Just find yourself in your way of life within nature.